3 metres by 4 metres. Bargy, you watching? So I'm going to do offset off each corner and go 500 mil, right? 500 mil. Come on, bring your new closer, can you, Ben? So that's our setting up point we're going to work to, right? And then we're going to go, what distance this way? 4 metres, excellent. So mark that with your pencil. 4 metres, sorry mate. Down there. That's it, 4 metres right on that mark. Make an arc, perfect. Now what was our offset? 500. So 500? No, off the timber.
Off the timber?
Yep.
Right.
So mark that there.
Right there.
Yeah? Yeah, perfect. So that is our mark there. Make sense? We'll flick that. Chalk line. Right over that line. Twist it so I can hold it nice and tight. You can flick it once. Flick it. Yeah, done. Perfect. Alright, what's the other way? We'll go up this way. 3 metres. We don't know if this is square, so we're going to go 3 metres. And then to check the square, we're going to go off that corner 5 metres. Show you how to do it. So make an arc. Can you show him how to make an arc then?
What, actually show him?
Yeah. What Dan is going to do. So
He knows how to do it.
Yeah. So you just make an arc for me. You're going to have to go longer that way. Can you go a little bit more further away? That way.
That way, yeah.
Okay, brilliant. Okay, you stay over there. You want to get it at the right end. So what's the distance here? 5 metres. 5 metres, very good. So make that.
Yeah.
Put an arc in there. So when that meets, that's our right angle, yeah? Right, let's flick that line. Yeah. Flick that. Ready? Yeah, start. Alright, so we've just got one corner, 4 metres by 3. Now for us to finish off that rectangle, we'll go, what measurement do we go from here?
From there? Yeah. 4 metres.
Okay, get a big pencil and make another arc. Okay, make that arc there right on 4 metres. Wait up, just check that again. You happy with that? Make sure the tape is straight. Perfect. Alright, and then we need to mark it from this side. What do I need to read here, guys? 3 metres, so check it over there, Ben.
Check over there, Ben.
Okay, now we can flick those 2 lines. Hold it. Okay, can you put it on? Wait, wait for on. You on?
Yeah, I'm on.
Okay, good. Again. Come on. Do this corner, you stay there. Okay, hold it over the line. No, put it over the line first. You put it over the line. You put it over the line.
That is.
Yeah. Okay.
Ready?
Yep, you can flick. Brilliant. Now what do we do? How do we know that that's 3 metres by 4 metres is parallel?
Just got to check the diagonal.
Check the diagonal. So we checked it one way, so we need to check it the other way. Let's check that one. And that is right on 5 metres. Well done. Brilliant. So So that's a box that's 3 by 4 metres at right angles. You can turn that off now, Ben.